to me what I did wrong.
We will.
No, y'all won't.
We will.
Okay, sit in the car.
Y'all supposed to explain. I know the law.
Just sit down.
Y'all can't just arrest somebody without explaining.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Bro.
Put your feet in.
Bro, no.
Put your feet in.
No.
Yes.
Bro, can I speak to y'all? Said I was gonna speak to my girl.
Let me see the keys.
That's how God.
All right, just let me see the keys.
No, y'all can't see no keys until y'all tell us what is going on.
Right now, there's an investigation.
Put your hands on the dash. Give me the keys.
Can I call my uncle
Pop out,
first?
bro.
Can I call my uncle
out.
first? No, I don't.
Step out.
Can I call my uncle first?
Step out of the car, bro.
He's the sheriff of Essex County. Let me call my uncle first. I'm not about to.
Step out of the car, my man.
Can I call my uncle first? If y'all not going to tell me where I'm dead
964 to Central. Start us some balls here, too. Car from yesterday's incident.
Investigation, but
Yes. Come on.
what? No. You say an investigation, but did y'all investigate the attempted murder that almost happened to us yesterday? We made a report. Yes, we made a report. Yes, what are you talking about? These not attempt murder towards it. We almost got ran off the road. Yes, Uncle Tyre. Yes, the cops wound up pulling us over. I know you are sheriff of Essex County. Can you please explain to them what I told you yesterday? Because I knew this was going to happen.
Sir, do me a favor, step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Step out the car.
Put your phone down, step out the car.
That's my uncle, that's a sheriff.
Step out of the car.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Take the car. Take the phone. Sir, just step out of the car.
Uncle
Step
Tyre,
out of the car. Step out of the car. Because we're telling you to. Just step out. Face that way.
No.
Step out. Step out. Face that way. Put your hands right back.
No,
Put your hands. Right now you're being detained. Right now you're being detained.
No.
Now you're putting your hands behind your back.
No, I
Do
resigned.
not.
I
Do not. Put your hands behind your back.
I resigned.
Put your hands behind your. I said put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
No.
Stop resisting.
No, I
Stop.
have anxiety.
Okay, relax.
No, I can't.
Too bad.
Because y'all
Relax.
arrested me for no reason.
Relax.
Y'all can get seriously reported for this.
Relax.
Bro,
Sir.
y'all can get seriously reported for this.
Right now you're detained. You're detained. Yes.
Nothing wrong. Bro, that's
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Give me his other arm. Do not.
Bro, bring him. Touching me.
You're gonna get put to the ground. You're gonna get put to the ground. You're gonna get put to the ground.
No.
Relax. Do not. Put him on the ground. Put him on the ground.
Get off. You putting my. I can't breathe.
Okay, relax. Relax.
Can't talk.
No.
Relax.
No. Bro, I can't.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Move.
Here, Ronnie, grab this arm. I don't have his arm.
What was on?
No, I know.
Relax.
He can't breathe. Back up.
Grab it.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Because I'm trying to protect my.
Stop. Leave him alone.
No.
He's saying he can't fucking breathe.
Get off.
He has anxiety.
Get off my life.
Yo, get off.
Get off.
Get off. Y'all racist. Get off.
Sir, relax.
Get off.
Sir.
No.
Sir,
No.
relax. You made more than you had.
No, I'm not.
Relax.
No.
You did.
I reported.
Just put your arm
That
behind
the
your back.
dude
Hey,
tried to
listen.
attempt murder to
Hey, listen to me.
No.
Please.
No, that's not fair.
Sir,
I
you
knew
gotta
this was
calm
going to
down.
happen. I knew this was
Relax.
going to. No.
Just put your
Y'all
hands
let
behind your
this
back.
man try to attempt murder to our child. No. That man wasn't listening.
Stop.
Get off.
Sir, stop.
Hey, no.
Hey.
No.
Don't make this.
Get off.
Listen to me.
Hey, get her over there.
No.
Go over there, please, for a minute.
He's saying he
Time to get off.
Relax.
Ow. No.
Just put your arm behind your back. Just put your arm behind your back. Relax, sir. Go. Sir, stand up.
I got him.
There's a cop trying to find us something wrong with us. And that child was in the car. And the cop was in our fucking child. Son.
Stand him up.
Oh, y'all detained
Stand up.
Cop trying to attempt murder
Stand
to my
up.
child.
Relax.
And now they're arresting me.
Get him down before we let him
They're arresting me after the cop tried to attempt murder. Bro, the cop tried to run us off the road.
Leave him sit.
Bro, get off. Get off. I don't got no weapons. I got no weapons. Bro, y'all gonna get a lawsuit on y'all. Y'all definitely gonna get a lawsuit.
Stand him up.
Y'all definitely gonna get a lawsuit. Stand up. Y'all definitely gonna get a lawsuit.
Come over here, sir.
No.
Just relax. Hey,
Bro,
let me talk to you.
My son got
Okay.
murder, bro.
I got him.
That's not right, bro.
Just listen to me.
Bro, no,
You didn't
bro.
have to do all that.
Bro, y'all trying to detain me for no reason. Bro, like,
Just relax.
bro, I can't was in the car yesterday.
Okay.
Like, we all, like, she's mad too. Cause we knew y'all was gonna do this to her. The cop tried to attempt murder to us. And he set that up. But nobody's listening. Not one person. We were sitting there on First Street and we made the report.
Okay.
And we told them.
Sir, I just need you to just take a deep breath for me. Just take a deep breath for me.
I'm getting, bro, no.
All we said to you.
My anxiety, which I was not explaining at all. No, y'all didn't. Y'all said investigation. Investigation to what? To what?
Relax.
I made a call yesterday report to find the cop car, whoever he said was a cop. I said I was going to report it to my uncle, which is the sheriff, because he tried to run us off the road for no reason. Look, she explaining the same exact thing.
Good job. He's gonna
Take him.
No.
Sir.
Amor, they trying to take me.
Just relax.
Catch more charges.
Do not.
Catch more charges. Bro, because y'all not even letting me explain.
Go with them.
Bro, guys talking, bro. Bro, bang, hit my phone. Bro, no, I want to speak to my girl, bro.
Just have a seat. Watch your head.
Bro, that's not right, bro. I'm being arrested. Bro,
Just relax.
I'm being fucking arrested for protecting my child. Bro, for protecting my child, that's what we do.
Take him out and search him real quick.
Bro, there's nothing to search. They already searched me.
Come on.
My pockets are empty.
Okay, come on.
My pockets are empty.
We just
My
have
pockets are empty.
protocol.
My pockets are empty. What other charge? Because I didn't do nothing wrong. And then, can I speak to my girl? I'm not speaking to y'all if I can't speak to my girl. My girl,
Step out.
No, it's my child.
Step out. Turn around.
Babe.
Get your gloves on. He's just gonna search you.
I don't have.
Listen,
I was already searched.
Relax.
Bro, I was already searched. I'm not no fucking criminal.
Okay,
I'm supposed to be going to fucking. I'm supposed to be going to school. I'm supposed to go. No. Bro, get off. Get off. I have anxiety. Move.
Just
Bro,
relax.
move.
It's not that
I'm
serious,
not
man.
no
Relax.
fucking. Yes, it is. If y'all doing
Just let us
this.
do what we gotta do.
Bro,
That's it,
y'all didn't even explain to me what I did wrong.
We will.
He's just
No,
patting
y'all
you down.
won't.
We
Y'all
will.
just arrested
We
me.
will.
Okay, sit in the car.
Bro, y'all supposed to explain. I know the law.
Just sit down.
Y'all can't just arrest somebody without explaining.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Bro.
Put your feet in.
Bro, no.
Put your feet in.
No.
Yes.
Bro, can I speak to y'all? Said I was going to speak to my girl. But, babe.
Put your feet
Babe.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Babe, come here. Babe, come here.
Put your feet in.
Amor, come here.
Put your feet in the car.
Come here, Amor. No. No.
You're gonna get charged with resisting.
You talking about resisting. I have a lawyer.
It could have been any other officer kid who was in a car in a situation like that. Y'all ready to do whatever y'all gotta do. But let it be a black person. It's a black person.
So really, the reason why he's being taken in is who is that? What's his name?
Yes, Lord. I can't come to you. They won't let me come to you. He's on the phone. Can you please?
You an officer for North?
Stop. You're staying right there. You're not getting any closer to that
Can I
situation.
get my
Stand by. No one's going anywhere.
I'm asking you nicely.
Ma'am, and we're telling you to sit tight and give us a second to get everything sorted. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Which way you want to go out?
I have anxiety. I have anxiety. I have anxiety. Thank you. No, I'll get out myself.
Okay, that's fine.
No.
You're gonna listen to us.
We're gonna walk this way.
Bro, why do I have to listen when my son was in the car and got attempted murder?
Okay,
Y'all
we're
not
gonna go
moving
inside.
that cop
We gotta go
around.
inside anyway.
Bro, no, y'all don't understand. Cooperate with nothing.
We'll
So
talk
y'all
to you
arrest the
inside.
cop that's such
We're
an
gonna
attempt
sit
murder.
you down. You're gonna have your own chair. You're good.
Arrested me because I punched the cop in the for trying to murder my child. For trying to murder my child. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's not, bro. That's
You got
not
an
right.
elevator?
Y'all off-duty cops tried to murder my child. That's not right. That's not right.
Okay.
That's not right. Look, wind down for what? That's my child. My child is free. What y'all don't understand? If y'all kid was like that, my child was scared because of that. Like, y'all not understand. Do y'all got kids of your own? Do y'all got kids of your own? No. Do y'all got kids of your own? No. Do y'all got kids of your own?
Just relax.
Answer my question. Answer my question. Answer my question.
Come out then. Come out.
No, keep him in and come out.
All right, go inside. Just relax, man. We're going on an elevator. Come on.
No.
Right there. Stay right there.
Come on, let's get you.
Come on, you're making it too hard. Just relax. It does not have to be like this.
But y'all made it like this by arresting me.
You don't have to be like this. There's no reason to act like that.
What you mean? But I'm being arrested.
We're being cool with you, okay? Just relax.
I'm being arrested for protecting my child. What is the harm in that?
Just please, just be calm. Come on. Come on. I don't want to have to. We're not wrestling around. We're not doing any of that. Come on.
Bro, I'm not even old. I'm not none of that, bro.
We're gonna let you out of cuffs right now. We're gonna come in here. No, I'm coming in the room with you. Come on.
Y'all still about to throw me in the room.
No, we're not. We are gonna sit you on the bench right after this. If you're cool, I'll let you stay out of cuffs. Okay? Just take a deep breath and relax. All right? We're gonna get it figured out for you.
You just came back for jumping off. My girl displayed the same. My girl displayed the same exact story. The same exact story my girl displayed. That dude tried to run us off the road.
Okay. All right. Just relax. Mr. Gary, right?
Yes. I did it for my child.
I understand.
My child almost got murdered by this guy.
I understand. I'm gonna take you out of these cuffs.
I'm not gonna do anything because I'm not no
I
bad
understand.
person.
And we know you're not. We're just gonna do one search. This is our policy. We have to do another search.
What
So I'm gonna
search is this?
We're just gonna pat you down. That's all it is. All right. So I'm gonna have you like kick off your shoes and
I don't have no
whatnot.
weapons. I'm not a.
We believe you.
weapons guy.
Listen.
Like, I'm not giving
you a hard time.
I'm supposed to be going to school being a technician.
I'm taking these cuffs off. All right.
Just get me a proper.
Just face that way. Let me see the holes.
Does this come out? Just mop it off for me first.
Bad people, like.
We never said you were.
But y'all arrested me like I was.
Yeah, but you can't be resisting my
You gotta listen to what we're saying.
I have anxiety. That's what I do. I resist. Even when yesterday when he tried to tip, my anxiety went up off the roof.
I got you.
Because my child.
Just face that way, and he's gotta do a.
When my child tried to my child was scared, scared for his life. This dude tried to run us off the road, not once, not twice. We even tried to track him down to get his license plate. Because my uncle was like, "Did you get his license plate?" I said, "Yes." I wound up calling, told the police. They said they was gonna look out for the guy. I didn't think the guy was just gonna make a false report and not explain the whole thing exactly what he did. He didn't even explain what he did towards it. But my girl said the exact same thing that I said towards y'all. Two stories the same way, and then one person, it don't add up correctly. If two people say the same thing, that's not.
We're listening.
We're
You
gonna
can keep talking. You keep talking. We're just gonna
So I can
finish this.
My son is 3 and he's smart. Going to school, bro. What am I supposed to be telling my school?
With me, sir, please.
He's gonna give you the
Got a fingerprint photograph.
process.
No, I'm being processed. I'm not. No, if I'm being processed, I want to know.
We're not questioning you, sir. This is just part of the process. We're not questioning you, so you don't need. You don't even have to speak. We're gonna get you an attorney. You can get an attorney before you speak to anybody.
Why y'all tried? No.
Because you're arrested, so we have to process.
So
you.
why y'all didn't arrest the other dude that tried to attempt murder towards my family?
You're here, so we have to.
That's not answering my question. That's not answering my question.
Hold on, you ready?
Why-
I'm gonna answer it.
Mr. Gary.
I can't answer it if you keep speaking. I can't answer it.
Y'all can't just arrest one person and then let another person that tried to attempt murder go free. That's not cool.
You either let me do my job or we're gonna get it after we process
I need
you.
medical attention.
Alright, so come on, we're gonna get you medical attention to a
I
cell.
have a concussion. No. I have a concussion. I need to go to the hospital.
We're not gonna say it. This is not a negotiation, bro.
I have a concussion.
This is not a negotiation.
To the floor.
This is
Okay,
not-
let me take the picture.
All right then stop acting like a little kid, bro. Can we
Y'all act like a little kid.
All right, then come on. Take the picture.
Fuck, like, bro, y'all taking me from my child. Let's act like a little kid. Y'all didn't sit there and get the dude that was attempting murder towards us.
Relax, relax, Mr. Gary.
Stop touching me.
Come on.
Stop touching me.
man.
Don't let
Stop
go.
touching me.
So then go
Okay, I am. But stop fucking touching me.
Stop.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Go stand on the
Stop.
X.
Tell him to stop
Mr. Gary.
touching me.
Stand on the
Stop
X.
touching me.
I got you.
Stop touching me. My anxiety.
Gary,
Stop
Mr.
touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Relax.
Stop touching me. Because I already got anxiety.
Go
Stop
stand.
touching me. The last dude touched me.
Stand on the
Stop
X.
touching me.
Come to me.
Stop
Stand on the X. Come to me. Stand right there.
touching me.
Stand on the X.
Stop touching me.
I got you.
No,
Listen,
I'm
face
being
the
touched.
face the
I keep
camera.
being fucking touched. I keep being touched.
You're good. You're good.
No.
Face the camera.
No.
Face the camera.
No. Y'all can take the picture like this. I don't care. Like, bro.
Stand on that.
No. Please don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Like, please.
Come on.
I take the picture.
All right, then. There you go.
Are y'all gonna arrest the man? So arrest the man now. Arrest the man now. Arrest the man. Nah, he's not here. But y'all let this man do attempted murder towards us?
Listen,
Y'all let this man do it. No, y'all not understanding where I'm coming from. My child. Y'all let this man go free when he almost murdered my child.
You told me you were going to be cool when we came in here.
How?
Right?
If y'all letting me get arrested and my child, I'm heated because that's not right. That's not right. That's not right. This man tried to attempt murder towards my child and nobody's doing nothing about this. Nobody. But y'all arrested me.
We're gonna do that.
No, y'all not. No, y'all not. No, y'all not. Y'all caught me first before him. What the police? What are y'all doing? My uncle is the sheriff. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
Look, it's a process.
A process to what? Going to jail?
We need to get this done first.
Okay. So
just get it done.
Why not the other dude? Why not the other
This is the
dude?
first
Why
step.
not the other dude?
This is the first step.
Why not the other dude? This is a black man being arrested, but why not the other dude?
Listen, look at
why
me.
not the other
Look at me.
dude?
Look at
Why
me.
not the other dude? Why not the other dude? Because he's white? Why not the other dude?
This is the first
Why not the other dude? I already went through this and I was innocent. Why I'm going through something like this again for protecting my child?
Just take.
Anybody that has a child would know the definition. Okay, so you will know the definition of protecting your child. Devontae, and I reported from my child. Dude tried to attempt murder towards my child. If my child would have died, bro, y'all would have died, bro.
I'm a dad.
Nothing, bro.
Devontae,
bro.
Look at
I'm emotional right now.
I get it, bro.
That's not right, bro. This dude tried to murder my child.
Look at me.
Like, bro, and I'm being arrested for somebody that tried to murder my child,
Listen,
bro.
bro. You're talking. You gotta listen. One step at a time, dog. Let's get through this process. Let's get through this process.
My child,
Do me a favor.
My
Do
child,
me a favor
bro.
so you can get back to your child. Get through this process so you can get back to your child, right? That's the goal, right? To get back to your child, Devontae?
Yeah,
All right, so let's get through this. Let's get through this process, dog.
I'm going to jail for protecting my child.
Get through the process first, all right, Devontae? So just look at the camera so we can get through this process. You also wipe your eyes, wipe your face, Devontae.
My child.
Use your paper towel.
This guy almost murdered my child, bro.
You want something to eat? You hungry? Hey, you want some water? Good.
Me and my cousin the same exact. You even heard the story. You heard the same exact story. That all we did was try to protect our child. We tried to dodge out the way from the guy, and we was moving out the way.
You're gonna still be able to speak to him. Listen.
Police arrested the suspect on multiple charges: obstructing justice, resisting arrest, and battery against an officer, on top of outstanding warrants for theft. What makes this one interesting? The man claimed officers were trying to kill him, all because they ran his car off the road. Enjoyed this one? Drop a like and subscribe for daily Bodycam videos.